appreciate helping out the 2K community so much.
B2 is your second bus, so you only have 2 buses. Welcome back to another video, my ninja watchers. I'm calling you out right now, ninja watchers. Please subscribe to the channel. We're almost to 1,000 subs on the channel. Please, there's so much more you can do in the channel instead of just watching and liking and sharing. There's a lot of YouTube community suggestions in the comments, Discord, anything you can do to be inside the content, around the content, whatever it is, it all comes back to you guys. So definitely support the channel, and then it reciprocates back to you some way, somehow. But generally, I'm here to show you guys how to make a fans clips collection where you're able to show love to your fans and whatever clips they might have had in the past or a previous stream. So let's get right to it. Switch over here. So any channel you might have, I have my basic general channel, whatever how you want to say it. It's not a collaboration channel or a brand channel or nothing like that. It's just my personal brand channel where I'm showing you how to do gaming and different ideas and tutorials and cooking and crossing people over and shooting people in the face and breakdowns and walkthroughs and reactions, whatever I'm going to do on my Twitch channel is basically right here. So it's not a multi-streamer collaboration type of channel. It's just my pure brand channel. But I saw that this particular video wasn't really made on YouTube, so I wanted to break it down here. Generally I want to go to video producer, so go up way to the top right, go to video producer. You want to look at video producer and clips. I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways to break down how to show love to your fans and different clips generally. And then make sure your past videos or whatever are published. They can be muted right here, but it's not a big deal. It's not muted throughout the entire stream, but it's muted throughout different pieces of your stream. So not the entire stream, but pieces of it. Here I want to do the most recent one, which was yesterday, the day I was recording it. And then I just recently published this. For some reason it was unpublished. And then you want to be able to go to highlight. Remember, I'm showing you guys 2 ways. Say if I just want to put something in my collections. And then say if I want to do my openings, because I have a collection called openings. If you look at my videos, I'm just aiming where I did my openings. I do different openings throughout my videos. Doing a little tip here, I'm just using the preview as you see here in the video. I'm just looking where I kind of open up. So some guys might be muted. You want to unmute.
He dropped the video.
Okay, I see the motherfucking video. I think I started 241. I can just aim right here and start.
You dropped a
right
video.
There.
Yes. All, baby.
That's so much of a good opening because I was just recording. Actually, I wasn't recording the whole day. I recorded a little bit and I edited majority of the day.
Glimpse of it.
So around here it was like 10 o'clock. But yeah, the whole point is to get to the end. And here I'm looking at where I'm ending my opening. So I'm just looking at the left side because this is where exactly you are in the video. All the way to the end is where the video ends at the time. So I'm gonna say 640. Boom, boom, boom. And then I just preview it. These are like the little edits you can do as the content creator because you're the one who's just doing highlights and putting it into a collection. Clips, I would say you would just want to put the clip in because that's someone's creation. You don't want to edit someone's creation in any type of way. So I'll show you guys how to do that in a little bit. What I'll name it. So here you're naming your little video right here, your little highlight. New build video. Actually new chef build because it's about the chef archetype in NBA Live. You've seen live how I would piece out a video and its title. So I'll piece it out like that. And then as you publish it, this pops up. There's a little processing. So the processing is a little funny. The processing can sit there for like freaking minutes, almost hours. And it will say it's still processing, but the processing is done around like 10 to 3, I guess like 10 to 3 minutes, depending on how long the highlight is. So it's not going off of your internet, it's going off their servers. So it's not really that too much of a long time. It's not going off of your internet, it's going off of their servers. So just wait 1 minute, refresh multiple times if you have to, but other than that it's really on their side. So yeah, it's done. Not too long. It's an opening. All my openings are short. They're not too long, not too short. Actually just medium, 1.5 to 3 to 4 minutes within here. And then I don't really do anything to the description, language, English, like patois, more like. And then this is on NBA Live 19, but talk show and podcast. That's what I usually do for my openings. Then, and yeah, I kind of just keep it general. I don't do too much to the description. I don't do anything to the description, more like. Once that's there, it's already uploaded, so it should be able to read it, where I want to put it to a collection. And where you want to go to your collections is to the left, and I have a openings and a fans. I have my openings and the fans clips, and then I just want to edit, add video, and then new chef video on YouTube. Cool, awesome, boom. And then you can change the order, whatever, how you want to do it. It goes descending, so it's like the oldest one on top, and then the newest ones at the bottom, so it's descending to the new. So go there, and then if you want to feature it, you can feature them on your videos along here. Then you can add sections. I generally want the fan clips to be on top, and this is where the fan clips is. That's basically how you do it. There's nothing else to go into. It's really simple. Yeah, but I'll show you guys exactly how the fan clips go. So I go straight into my clips, and I go to the top right. I hit either way, creator, dashboard, video producer, goes to the same widget, model, whatever, how you want to understand it. So I go to content and I go to clips. Then when I go to clips, here I see clips I've created and clips of my channel. A little parch. I would go for my clips, and where I would see different clips of who I created for and what my fans created, particularly on my channel. For me, for my type of way, I'm going like all the way down from years and years and years ago. Since I had a lot of stragglers, a lot of fans here and there. So from the years, and this is from, I think I'm in 6 years ago, I've done this, and I've outstanding memory retention, so I know exactly where the videos and the last videos I hit. And then for me, so you kind of want to categorize it in a way of like, hey, like I like how you clip this, or this clip is for that, or the fans clips for action or for strategy or horror or whatever you want to do. If it looks good enough to me, in terms of like it doesn't look like a random clip, I'll put it in. But if it does look like a random clip, I'm not going to put it in. Alright, so first, before it ends, doesn't matter, I copied the name, and then I just look over it. Yeah, I mean, to me, I'll put it in, you know, I like it enough where like it's not so random. I guess he or she liked what I said, so let's put that in. Let's go to, you go to share, or you can go back to the side. This is Sky, right? And then I still remember exactly where, right here, and then you can just hit the download. I want to see when they clipped. That's the whole point. All the way down, so many clips, so many people clipping me, and I have all the little data. And now I just put it on my desktop because I literally just deleted it right after. Then I say clipped by. If I don't remember, I just copy and then I cancel. So I got it in my little clipboard, or how you want to remember it. I think it's just in memory for computers. You know, say clipboards for our computer scientists. So here I see where it's created on. So February 22nd. 2017. So now I want to be able to see where I can go back here, get this back, clicked by Sky Reloads. Cool name. February 22nd, 2017. So I don't put a comment here, and just in case, I copy the whole thing and then I save it. All clips can go for like 90 seconds. Fact check me on that in the comments. I'm not too sure. 90 seconds or what is it, like 2 minutes? It'd be changing. Whatever. Their algorithm. It's clipped and saved. I saved it there, and then I just check it sometimes. You see here is downloaded on my desktop. Primarily want to check it sometimes. Not a big deal. I trust my downloading.
There's really no.
I just skim it through. So now I want to be able now to re-upload it, right? So how I want to do that is I go back to my video producer. It'll be in as an upload. Like you see these are uploads. This is a recent clipped upload that I did. It goes in as an upload. So I want to upload here, and then I want to see where my desktop is. I want to look for, it's an ABC order for me. I didn't delete this one yet, but the sky reloads. Really appreciate the clip, man. Really appreciate the support at the time. Then just uploading. Once it's uploaded, I rearrange how it looks, and then I'll show you guys how to title it, how to do the description. There's no real metadata. Real metadata is just description.
Being an essential part in the hacking community. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Off of this, I think in Potato you have 4 buses, but definitely check that out. I have a video on Potato. Definitely look at that video and see the detail in it. It's wide scale, it's bigger, it's pretty awesome, right? Let me